Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this one I will explain to you how you can top up and add money to your PandaBuy account. All you have to do is logging into your account, click on your profile picture, then select your user center. Once you're in there, you want to scroll down a little bit and on the left side you want to select wallet. I'm clicking on it and on the left side you can see your current balance, which in my case is $0. On the right side you can click on top up and a new menu will appear. In this field you can import the amount that you want to deposit, and that amount will be translated into US dollars, which 1000 CNYs is converted into $149. After you're ready you can click on confirm and you will be redirected to your next page. On this page you're seeing all the different methods that you can use in order to deposit or top up your PandaBuy account. On the bottom side of the screen you can see the total amount that you will be charged, also the amount that will be topped up and the amount that is paid as a fee, which in this case is $6.05. And once you're ready you can click on confirm payment, and that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.